What's the best way to build marketplaces? Building a successful online marketplace requires careful planning, the right tools, and a clear strategy. Here's a step-by-step guide to building a marketplace, highlighting the key decisions you'll need to make along the way. Step 1. Identify your niche and value proposition. Niche selection. Start by identifying a specific market niche where there's demand but limited supply. This could be anything from vintage clothing to handmade crafts or a specialized B2B service. Value proposition. Determine what will make your marketplace unique. Is it the variety of products, the ease of use, the pricing model, or the level of customer service? Your value proposition should address the needs and pain points of both buyers and sellers. Step 2. Choose the right platform. PrestaShop. If you're looking for flexibility, scalability, and control, PrestaShop is an excellent choice. It's an open-source platform that allows you to customize your marketplace to fit your exact needs. With the right modules, such as our Marketplace module, PrestaShop can be transformed into a powerful multi-vendor marketplace. Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. While these platforms offer marketplace capabilities, they may require more customization and could be more expensive in the long run compared to PrestaShop, especially if you need advanced features. Custom development. For those with a larger budget and highly specific needs, building a custom marketplace from scratch might be the best option. However, this requires significant investment in both time and money. Step 3. Set up your marketplace. Install and configure your platform. Once you've chosen your platform, set up the basic infrastructure of your marketplace. This includes configuring your hosting environment, installing necessary plugins or modules, and setting up your database. Design your marketplace. Customize the look and feel of your site to create an intuitive and engaging user experience. This includes choosing a theme, setting up navigation, and ensuring your marketplace is mobile-friendly. Integrate payment gateways. Ensure that your marketplace can handle transactions smoothly by integrating reliable payment gateways. PrestaShop supports a variety of payment options, making it easy to cater to a global audience. Step 4. Implement vendor and product management. Vendor registration and management. Create a system where vendors can easily sign up, list their products, and manage orders. The PrestaShop Marketplace module simplifies this process by providing vendors with a dedicated dashboard to manage their store within your marketplace. Product listings. Ensure that product listings are easy to create and manage. Allow vendors to upload images, set prices, and categorize their products effectively. Step 5. Set up commission structures and fees. Commission rates. Decide on the commission structure for your marketplace. Will you charge a flat fee, a percentage of sales, or a combination of both? The PrestaShop Marketplace module allows you to set flexible commission rates for different vendors or product categories. Additional fees. Consider whether you'll charge for premium listings, featured products, or subscription plans for vendors. Step 6. Launch and promote your marketplace. Pre-launch marketing. Start building buzz before your official launch. Use social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to generate interest. SEO and content marketing. Optimize your marketplace for search engines by creating valuable content and targeting relevant keywords. PrestaShop's built-in SEO tools can help you get started. Paid advertising. Consider investing in paid ads on platforms like Google, Facebook, and Instagram to drive targeted traffic to your site. Step 7. Manage operations and scale customer support. Provide excellent customer support to both buyers and sellers. This includes setting up help desk software, FAQs, and a clear returns policy. Order fulfillment. Ensure that your vendors can efficiently manage order fulfillment. Consider integrating shipping solutions that automate the process. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review your marketplace's performance. Use analytics tools to track key metrics like traffic, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction, and make data-driven decisions to improve your marketplace. Step 8. Expand and evolve. Add new features. As your marketplace grows, you may want to add new features to enhance the user experience. This could include loyalty programs, advanced search capabilities, or social sharing options. Explore new markets. Consider expanding your marketplace to new regions or offering additional services to increase your revenue streams.